Thank you guys for joining me again. Before I get started, I wanted to thank you so much for the support that you've shown for beautifulbonnetbabes.etsy.com. That's where I have my patterns, my designs, and different merchandise available for purchase. Let's get into the video. I start by using my pattern. I fold it in half, cut the excess off. And for this method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold twice, 1/4 on this side, and I'm going to go and stitch across the edge with a zigzag stitch. And then my second fold is going to be about 3/4 of an inch, and I'm going to fold the edge as well so I can get a good seam, because I'm not using my serger. As you can see, this is my first one that I did, and that was just using a regular stitch, zigzag stitch. And so again, I'm going to fold this at the edge, and then I'm going to fold it over again to make my casing for my elastic. And I'm going to go across that with a zigzag stitch as well, close to the edge. And I added pins for the sake of this video, so you can see how it can be pinned down. That way you don't have to worry about a lot of shifting. Okay, now this is my casing. And as you can see, I have my hole where I can go ahead and put my elastic. My elastic is about 1/2 an inch, and I use a safety pin to attach it. And I use one safety pin on each end. One of them I'm going to attach it to my garment, as you can see. And then the other one is the one that I'm going to take and put through the casing. And I'm going to take my time, and I'm going to go all the way through. Once I get to the other side, I take my safety pin off, making sure I'm holding on to my elastic because I don't want to lose that place. And then I take a pin to hold it in place. I want to do the same thing on the other side. And what I'm doing there is just filling to make sure my elastic has not turned any kind of way, because I want it to be flat. And now what I'm going to do is line them up together. And you can use your pins to hold them in place to keep them from shifting. And I'm going to go across with a stitch, and that's the last step. The stitch that I decided to use was something similar to the serger, because it has a zigzag and it also has a line. And that's just an additional stitch option that I have for my machine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you have given me. Please check me out on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and I'll see you guys back here again with another tutorial.